And in this video we will discuss methods to convert the number from one system to another system. So let us begin with this video. First of all, we will see how to convert a number from decimal number system to binary form. So let us take an example. Suppose we have to convert a number 27. We have to convert a number 27 that is given in decimal number system to its binary equivalent. So we have to convert number system from decimal to binary, and for this we will use repeated division method. And this method says divide the number successively by 2, then record its remainders. Now assemble all remainders starting from last to first remainder. So now see in this figure, this is the number 27 which is to be converted into binary system. And since we are supposed to convert this number into binary system, and the base of binary system is what? 2. Okay, so we will divide this number by 2, right? And here we will write the quotient, and here we will write the remainder. So let us see how this can be done. First of all, we will divide 27 by 2. So 2 13s are 26, and we will note down remainder at this position. Then again we will divide the quotient by 2 again. So if we divide it by 2, 2 6 are 12, we got the remainder as 1. We will note down that remainder here. Then again we will divide the quotient by 2. So 2 3s are 6, and the remainder is 0. Again we will divide this quotient 3 by 2. So 2 1s are 2, and remainder is 1. And finally this 1 we will divide by 2, because 1 is smaller than 2, so it will be 0 times. So 2 0s are 0, and remainder is 1. And we have to repeat these steps till we get 0 in the quotient part. So once we get 0 in quotient part, we will note down these remainders from last remainder to first remainder, right? That is from bottom to top. So if we note down these, we will get 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1, right? So this is the method which is called repeated division method. And since we are converting a decimal number into binary, so and base of binary is 2, so we divide this number by 2, and successively divide this number by 2, since we get 0 in the remainder, 0 in the quotient, and then finally we note down the remainder from bottom to top. That will be our answer. Now let us see how we can convert a binary number to its decimal equivalent. Let us take the same example that we have done in previous one. This time suppose we have to convert, we are given this binary number and we are supposed to convert this number into decimal, so that it is the reverse of the earlier problem. For this, what we do, this is the number that we are supposed to convert from binary to decimal. So what we are supposed to do, we divide each digit. How many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So we divide each digit by, we multiply each digit by 2. So 1 into 2, again 1 into 2, then 0 into 2, then 1 into 2, then 1 into 2, right? And we will add them. So plus sign is there, again plus sign is there, plus sign is there, plus sign is there. Now beginning from right hand side, we will put the first 2 to the power 0, next 2 to the power 1, next 2 to the power 2, to the power 3, to the power 4. That means starting from 0, and we will keep on increasing the power of 2 by 1. Okay, now let me explain this once again. First of all, multiply each digit by 2. So 1 into 2, again 1 into 2, 0 into 2, 1 into 2, 1 into 2. Now add them. So put a plus sign in between, and now starting from rightmost right side, and put first 2 to the power 0, and then keep on increasing the power of 2 by 1. So 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. Now solve this equation. You will get the decimal equivalent of this binary number. So 2 to the power 4 is 16, 2 to the power 3 is 8, 2 to the power 2 is 4, 2 to the power 1 is 2, and 2 to the power 0 is 1. Right? Now 1 into 16 is 16, 1 into 8 is 8, 0 into 4 is 0, 2 into 1 is 2, and 1 into 1 is 1. So 8 plus 16 plus 8, 24, plus 2, 26, plus 1, 27. So we get the answer as 27. So the same number, when we convert this into binary form, from binary to decimal form, it comes out to be 27. So in this way you can cross check your conversion also. So this is how we can convert a binary number from a decimal number from binary decimal number to its binary equivalent, and then from binary to decimal equivalent. Now let us see how to do fractional conversion. Fractional conversion is if the number is having decimal part also. So let us take this example. Suppose we have 27.125 base 10, and we are supposed to get its binary equivalent. That means we are supposed to convert this number into binary. So the steps are, first of all, we will convert the integer part, which is 27, as we have done earlier. So integer part, how to convert integer number into binary, that you already have been taught. So you can convert that number 27 into binary like this, right? Earlier we have checked the 27 in binary form is this. So you can use that repeated division method to convert 27 into binary form. Now to convert the fractional part 0.125 into binary, now let us see the process. What we do here, it is a mistake. It should be 1.125 instead of 0.25. So this is simply typing mistake. You can correct it. So if we want to convert this number into binary, what we will do, we will multiply this number by 2. So when we multiply 0.125 by 2, we get 0.250. 125 to the 250. Right? Now we will take only fractional part of this. So fractional part is 0.25. So we will multiply 0.25 by 2 again. So we get 0.50 now, right? And its integer part is 0. So we will leave out the integer part and we will consider only the fractional part. What is fractional part? Fractional part is 0.50. So 0.50 may be written as 0.5 only, and we multiply this by 2. So 0.5 into 2 is 1.0, right? Since at this point this process has to be repeated till we get 0 in the fractional part, right? So in third step only we got 0 in fractional part. So we will stop this process here only, and this time we will note down these digits which are before this decimal point. So we have to consider only these digits, and this time we will note down them from top to bottom this way, not from bottom to top but from top to bottom. So when we convert this, we get 0.001. so 0.125, when we convert this into binary, we get 0.001 base 2. So the complete conversion of this number will be 27 is 11011. So 27 we will write 11011, and then for 0.2125 we will write 0.001. So this is the fractional conversion from decimal to binary. Now let us see how can we convert from a fractional binary number to a fractional decimal number. Let us take this example 010.11. In this case, this conversion will be done as this. Here it is shown in the figure. We have the number 101.11. What we will do now, we will multiply each digit of this number by 2, right? And we will see 1 into 2, 0 into 2, 1 into 2, 1 into 2, 1 into 2. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will make two parts. We will divide this expression into two parts. One is this before decimal point. So we have 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3. We will mark this, and the second part is 1 and 1. This. So we have got two parts of this expression, and now starting from here only, we will put 2 to the power 0 before decimal point. We will put 2 to the power 0, then we will increase it by 1, and again we will increase by 1. So it becomes 2 here, right? And from its decimal point to its right side, first 2 will have its power as -1, and second 2 will have -2. If we have another digit, so that will have 2 to the power -3 in this way. So what you are supposed to concentrate here, before decimal point we will start 0, 1, 2, and afterward we will decrease it. 0 से क्या हो जाएगा? -1, -1 से हो जाएगा -2, right? Now we are supposed to solve this equation. So this becomes 1 into 2 to the power 2 is 4, 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 0 is 1, right? And this becomes 1 into 1 by 2. This becomes 1, because 2 to the power -1 is 1 by 2. 2 to the power -2 is 1 by 4, because it becomes 1 by 2 to the power 2, that means 1 by 4, right? So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Now when this 1 into 4 is 4, the 0 into 2 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, and 1 by 2 is 0.5, 1 by 4 is 0.25. So 4 plus 1 is 5, and 0.5 plus 0.25 is 0.75. So the answer for this conversion is 101.11 base 2 becomes 5.75. So this is how you can convert number from fractional to fractional decimal to fractional binary, and from fractional binary to fractional decimal. So this is all about the conversion of decimal numbers into binary and binary into decimal, both for integer as well as fractional numbers. Thank you very much. You can practice more problems based on these type of conversions yourself from your textbook. Thank you.